Have you always wanted to invest in real estate but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you've already invested and are unsure if it was the right move. Real estate investment has long been a smart way to secure your financial future. Among the various options, single-family homes remain a popular choice. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of investing in single-family homes to help you determine if this strategy aligns with your goals. Luxury isn't just a lifestyle, it's an experience. I'm Dario Lorenzo, a dedicated global real estate advisor with Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty right here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's find your dream home or sell your property for top dollar. Reach out today and let's make it happen. Before we dive into the benefits and risks, let's clarify the main types of residential investments. Single family, 1 dwelling to rent, duplex, 2 dwellings to rent, and multifamily, 3 or more dwellings to rent. Now let's explore why single family homes are a popular choice for investors. Single-family homes offer steady appreciation and solid returns. You can expect around a 12% annual return on investment. For instance, purchasing a home for $100,000 today could grow to $200,000 in 20 years. Single-family homes are an affordable entry point, especially for first-time investors. You don't need a huge upfront investment, and fractional ownership options can get you started with as little as $2,500. Unlike volatile investments like stocks, single-family homes hold their value even during economic downturns. They're a safer choice for conservative investors. With only 1 unit to maintain, single-family homes have lower repair and maintenance costs than larger properties. You can even handle minor repairs yourself to save money. Single-family investments give you flexibility. If you decide real estate isn't for you, you can sell the property relatively easily. Single-family rentals often attract long-term tenants, ensuring consistent cash flow and reducing turnover headaches. Single-family homes are less expensive than larger properties, making it easier to build a diverse portfolio. This reduces risks like vacancies or non-paying tenants. Single-family homes are highly competitive. Finding good deals takes time, effort, and patience. While single-family homes offer long-term appreciation, it can take years to see significant profits. This isn't ideal for those seeking quick returns. Unlike multifamily properties, single-family homes rely on one tenant. A vacancy means 100% of your rental income is gone until it's released. As your portfolio grows, managing multiple single-family homes can become time-consuming. Without professional help, traveling between properties and coordinating repairs can be overwhelming. Single-family homes typically offer less leverage compared to larger investments. Banks may only finance 50 to 60% of the property's value, limiting your ability to maximize returns. Single-family homes are an excellent choice for beginners or those seeking stable, long-term growth, but they may not suit investors looking for quick profits or large-scale opportunities. Investing in single-family homes is a smart way to secure your financial future. If you're ready to start, explore opportunities today and consider fractional ownership options to diversify your portfolio. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights on building your real estate portfolio and contact me today so we can start your investment journey.